Hi everyone, welcome back to the Top Percentile YouTube channel. A very important from the CET cell is out now, a notice that you cannot miss. The edit facility or the edit window is available right now if you have completed your registration for the MBA CET successfully. इसके लिए आपको मिलेंगे 3 दिन 28 Feb, 1 March and 2 March. And these are the things that you can change. You can change and correct your name. You can correct your date of birth, your photograph, your signature, your gender. And if you've not opted for a second attempt, then you can do that now. माई एडवाइस इज अगर आपने सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट के लिए ऑप्ट नहीं किया तो प्लीज कर दीजिए बिकॉज फॉर एडमिशन इन टू कॉलेजेस थ्रू द कैप राउंड्स the best of both the scores will be considered. So you have nothing to lose at all. Do fill and do add the second attempt if you've not done. Hope this was helpful. Do not wait till the last day to edit. आज या कल में please complete your corrections. And ऐसे ही important notice, ऐसे ही important updates के लिए please don't forget to subscribe to the Top Percentile YouTube channel because we are going to be covering everything about MBA CET and JBIMS. So do subscribe.